Alright, I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of something that I picked up. I was not expecting it to come this early because the delivery notification, whatever thingy, the estimate, whatever, said that it was supposed to be Wednesday. So, let's get into it. And this thing is packaged quite well. Wow. Dust from the box all over it, but it's not a big deal. So you guys can see, Steep Tech, as per usual, my favorite jackets. Damn, this thing's brand new. Yeah. Forgot how strong these North Face buckle things were. Nice. Yeah, I really, as you guys probably know, I believe this is the second Steep Tech I've put on the channel so far. But yeah, unless I've had my other ones on the channel like years ago. But another Steep Tech, as you guys can see, love these jackets. They're super warm. I personally like them better than Moncler's and Canada Goose jackets because they kind of make you look like a robot or whatever. But yeah, I love Steep Techs. I needed a pair of shoes that I could use for, like, you know, walking, working out, whatever. Pardon the rip in my joggers, but I have another pair of joggers under it. So yeah. So whenever I get a pair of shoes that's used, what I always do is this: foot powder. I take out the insoles. I already did that, and then spray it with the it has to be a powder based one, and don't kill it. I already sprayed that one. Not sure if I already said that. What? And then hopefully these insoles work. These are insoles from an old pair of shoes that I had. Let's see. Might be too big, but can't hurt to try. Or if anything, I could always just trim these down, which is, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Gonna trim these down, so give me a second. Alright, so here's the one that's for the right shoe. Just start. Hopefully these scissors are sharp enough. It's starting to cut. Don't do too much, or try not to do too much, because you can always cut more, but you can never add material back to it.
Alright, trim a little here. Alright, let's see if that
fits. First try, it's almost perfect. Actually, damn, forgot about the powdery part, but let me try and see how that fits. Oh, yeah, it's perfect. And I paid $20 for these shoes, nothing crazy, nice and cheap. Wasn't looking for anything too serious. just something to walk around in, work out in, and yeah. So let's trim the other one.
Let's see. It's about the same. Let's see. Perfect.
And the thing about Air Max ones is that they're super comfortable. Like, these shoes are wonderful. I'm really mad I haven't had a pair of these in so many years.
Keep the change, you filthy animal.